4 secret hacks to double your engine's lifespan. Want to double your engine's lifespan? Most people unknowingly shorten their engine's life with bad habits. But today, I'm revealing 4 secret hacks that mechanics won't tell you. Stay tuned to save thousands on repairs and keep your car running like new. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car-saving tips. Hack number 1. Use high-quality synthetic oil. Cheap oil might save you a few bucks now, but it costs you thousands in the long run. High-quality synthetic oil keeps your engine cleaner, reduces friction, and extends its lifespan by years. Don't let mechanics upsell you on unnecessary services. Invest in premium synthetic oil instead. Pro tip: check your owner's manual for the best oil viscosity for your car. Hack number 2. Warm up your engine the right way. Starting your engine and immediately revving it? Bad move. Cold starts increase wear and tear, shortening your engine's life. Instead, let your car idle for 30-60 seconds before driving, allowing the oil to circulate properly and protect internal parts. Bonus tip: in winter, let the engine warm up for 1 to 2 minutes before driving. Hack number 3. Change air and fuel filters regularly. Clogged filters choke your engine, forcing it to work harder than necessary. This leads to higher fuel consumption and engine damage over time. Replacing your air and fuel filters ensures optimal combustion, better fuel efficiency, and a longer-lasting engine. Pro tip: change your air filter every 12,000 miles and your fuel filter every 20,000 to 40,000 miles. Hack number 4. Avoid short trips and hard acceleration. Did you know that short trips are worse for your engine than long drives? When you drive less than 5 miles, your oil doesn't reach full temperature, leading to excess sludge buildup. Also, avoid hard acceleration as it increases engine stress and wear. Pro tip: if you must take short trips, go for a longer drive occasionally to burn off moisture and contaminants. And there you have it, 4 secret hacks to double your engine's lifespan. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance secrets.